RenaNation. RenaNation.
What's good? What's your papa with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know what we doing today. Now today I will be doing 2 buns, and if you guys don't know what that is, stay tuned and see the tutorial, of course, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. We're not gonna talk too much, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. And you don't really need too much for this video, so if you want to get this look, not this look, but I'm gonna put a picture here so you can know what I'm talking about. But if you want to get that look, stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. And it is hot, so we're gonna go ahead and move into the house and go ahead and start this video, and that's just on period. Let's get it. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take out my hair. I'm going to be using water to take out the leftover products I used before, and I'm going to just get right into it. So after I take out all my hair, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. Just damp it, not doing too much. We're not washing it or nothing. We're gonna damp it and go ahead and get into this hairstyle. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. And we're gonna get into it, period. So the very simple things you guys will be needing is a comb or brush, the products you're going to be using, but I'm trying out a new product on my hair, so you guys will be seeing that review, but just stay tuned, period. And look at this light and dark. Alright, we're going to get into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and dip my brush inside some water, not too much, not too little. And then just brush it. What you want to do is just brush it all the way through, and make sure you get all the little flakes and everything that's left over from the last product you use in your hair, especially if you're not washing your hair. So you got to make sure you get every part you put the gel at. And once you do that, it should dry up quick, but if not, it'll be fine. So after you do that, you should have something like this with no product in it. And no, we're not fully washing our hair, but it's just a thing, right? That's what we're doing today. But honestly, I need to wash my hair because it's like shedding now. Or, I don't know. It looked like it's shedding, like, see? Like, but we're gonna get into it. Let's get it. Okay, so first you want to section your hair off into 2, from the middle all the way to the back, and that's what I'm gonna do. Make sure your parts are nice and clean. Okay, now once you get your 2 sections, you want to make sure you got your part as best as you could. Even though you're doing it yourself, you can get another mirror, put it in the back to see. But what I do is actually just go over it again and then try to do it as straight as possible. And you could use your gel going down the line as well. And once you do that, you can go ahead and make sure you got everything on one side, clip down and out the way. And you can start foaming the other ponytail while that's out the way. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna take 2 sections of this and comb it out. After that, you want to just thoroughly brush your hair. Then you can go ahead and apply the products that you use in your gel, whatever you want to use, and make sure that it's great. And you go ahead and brush that into the ponytail. I don't smell nothing. So what you want to do is apply the same pressure you did the other side, and go ahead and apply your little gels and everything, and brush that into the ponytail, okay? What I'm using is Shine Jam Edge Miracle. It's for my edge control, but I just put it all over my head and just slicked it into the ponytail, and it worked out. After you got your ponytails formed the way you want it, you want to go ahead and start working on the buns. So what I actually did is take a rubber band and actually put it at the end so I can be able to work on the other side without the extra hair getting in the ponytail while I'm styling it. But before I did that, I went ahead and brushed my edges out and started on that, because why not? Don't mind me making those faces. I was talking and I was just into the conversation, and then I was trying to do the video as well. So yeah, all I did was apply the gel and then swooped it into the ponytail. So after you got your gels all right, you want to go ahead and start making the little buns. So what I do is actually add edge control at the end of the edges so it won't be sticking up. So first things first, you want to go ahead and comb out the ponytail thoroughly, and then just go ahead and separate it into 2 and try to make like a middle hole in the middle, if that makes sense, and just brush that thoroughly, and then just wrap it, and you should get like a small bun. But I'm gonna show you guys how to actually fluff it out. You just put the rubber band on and just try to scratch it, but not too much, and then you should have that. And once you fluff it out, you want to add an extra rubber band for security, and then just repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So just to clarify, you actually just combing out the ponytail and start making a hole in the middle of that ponytail and actually wrapping it around. You want to take your brush and actually brush that middle part once you separate it in the middle with the bun. But other than that, it should come out good. Just add an extra rubber band for security, and then boom, you got you a new little cute hairstyle. Okay, you guys, so this is the finishing product. I'm just fixing the ponytail because I was like, is it even or not, or whatever. But comment down below if it's even or not, because I want to know. But if you guys learned something, go ahead and comment that down below. Make sure you hit that like button, and don't forget, stay tuned for the next video. And that's just on period. Let's get it.